Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So we are day 19 today. So here remove that out the way. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me zoom you in. Midnight Sky special mix. This is lovely. Yeah, so this one has some blues, some purples, and some pinks. Oh god, I'm not showing you, sorry. That's very pretty. I like that a lot. So again, I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, I love that. It's pretty. I really like this. Gorgeous. Even got some, it's got a lighter blue and then some darker blue. And then we have some pink and then like a lilac. And here, right on the edge, should I say, or the end, is like that plummy, bit lighter than plum, but I really like that. Beautiful, well done A&A. Another stunning glitter. So again, this is Midnight Sky and it's a special mix. Gorgeous. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you will see me again tomorrow. Bye bye.